Hello, today I'll explain how to edit sales invoice in Vatrix POS system. So for that, go to sales invoice and now click on CI button below. Okay, now enter the invoice number here. So here you can see the item details which you can edit. So for that, go to tools, click on edit document here. Now you can make the changes. So for example, I want to change the price. So I will make it from 18 to 20 price. Okay. Now after making the necessary changes, you can click on approve button here. Okay. So in this way, you can see the price is changed here for this item. So in this way, you can change or edit invoice in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.